This video is going to walk you through how to update section information. So sections can be used as a way of grouping students, and you can always update these at any stage. If you are going to be updating section information, then you will need to ensure that any grading that's done on assessments has been returned to students before you go ahead and update the section information. So you can see here that we've got numerical student section information included here in the course roster. And the course roster can be found when you click into your course. Here on the left-hand side, you click into Students, Update Students, and upload a CSV file with the new section information. Now this will need to be a full course roster, a full list. Again, you'll be asked to map that information and make sure that the information in these columns corresponds to the correct category, and anything that needs to be updated, you can use the drop down to update that. So you can see here that the CSV had section information which is alphabetical, and if we click continue here and then click save, you can see that this information has been updated on your course roster. And now you can go on and create assessments and assign them to these sections.